So I don't know how well this is going to show up on camera, but there's a bit of a dent somewhere around here. So I thought I'd try a little bit of dentless dent repair and see if I can get that little blemish out using just air. All right, but first things first, it's too hot. I gotta finally break out my portable swamp cooler. All right, where is it? It's in here somewhere. All right, we'll move out, move that. Yeah, there it is. Hopefully the butt crack's not showing. All right, yep. All right, so the body work on this thing never really concerned me. You know, I mean, I did replace the driver's side rocker because that was dented, like somebody tried to jack it up at that point. So I did replace that, did a little bit of tailgate work, but you know, this never really bothered me. But I figured, why not? Something to do, and we'll see how well these little airbag things work. So I picked these up on Amazon. It's a 3 set of, they're called pump wedges, but see a lot of people use them for dentless or paintless dent repair like this. So I figured, the hell, give it a shot. If I had a football, I would have used that. What I'm going to try to do is get probably this one wedged up between the bedside and the side of the bed itself, the wall of the bed. There's some space in there. It's kind of tight, try to get up in there. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get this up. Maybe I'll work with, let me see. Actually probably straight up, start with up here maybe. See if I can get this spot out first. Feels like there's, yeah, maybe a fist width of space up in there. So hopefully this will inflate enough to pop that out. If not, maybe I'll have to put some, maybe like a 2x4 behind this up against the bedside just to force this out towards this side of the sheet metal to give it some more pressure. But we'll try it with just this. So all it is, it's real simple. It's just a little airbag. It's got a little hand pump on the bottom here, and you just pump this up. The air fills the bag, and it should press the sheet metal back out. Let's give it a shot. All right, so like I said, I'm gonna put this airbag probably up into here, try to maneuver it in such a way that I can get it along this edge first. Hopefully, we'll see how that goes. Like I said, it is tight down here. So trying to manipulate this up and around might be a little difficult, but try to get my head out of your way in just a second. I'm gonna have to lay under the truck, I think, to do this, so, because I got to hold that way up in there, and the pump only comes down to about just like here. Get this up in there as far as I can and start inflating it. The bag's inflating. A lot of crap falling down. It's almost wedged in there. I think it's about as far as the bag goes, though. Okay, I need to put something else up in there. Let me get some safety glasses. Ah, damn it. Thought I was recording. Okay. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to do it or not, but I think I need to get something else to put up in there with the airbag to bring it out more. I don't think that 2x3 is quite enough. I wonder if I have a small piece of like 4x4. go see what I can find. All right, so got some more goggle-like safety glasses. Can't fit a 4x4 up there, so I got the 2x3 up, and I turned it on edge, and the airbag will be here, and hopefully inflate that way and give me more leverage or more pressure. Let's try it. I gotta go way up there. Well, that's not far enough. Okay, that's way up there. Let's see, where's that moving? Oops, moving up here. See it? So I don't know if this is even gonna work because that's been dented for so long and there's kind of a crease in there. But I can't inflate it anymore. Real quick, guys, have you seen the links below to the MoonBuilt Garage Teespring store? We got the original MoonBuilt Garage logo shirts. Maybe you're a fan of the Dodge D100 Shop Truck project. We got that shirt. Now that I'm pretty much a professional TIG welder, I got the TIG Torch shirt. Maybe you're more of an old school MIG guy. Got the MIG Torch shirt. Dodge Charger. I got MoonBuilt Garage decals. Guys, these t-shirts, they're not your typical 100% feel like you're wearing a burlap bag t-shirt. These things are next level tri-blend, literally next level, lightweight, super soft and comfortable t-shirts, guys. So check out the links below to the MoonBuilt Garage Teespring store. And as always, I appreciate each and every one of you for your continued support. So I'm not sure how well this is going to show up. It's sort of working. I'm quickly finding out that I am definitely not a sheet metal guy. Yeah, but I mean, it is kind of working. This area right here is going to be really difficult because the inner wheel well is like right here. So I can't really get anything. I can get a little bit up in here, but it's like right up against the inner wheel well. This body line here it did definitely straighten out a little bit. It's not as dented. Same with up here. I mean, you can still obviously feel it, but it's not as bad. Just got to keep working it a little bit at a time, kind of put pressure on it with the airbag, tap on it. More than tap, but you know, kind of once you get the pressure on it and pushing it out, you can use the body hammer along that high spot to hopefully knock it down. It's better than it was. It's not good. This area you can see right here, maybe there's a line where it was kind of dented. This part, I got rid of most of this. You can't really feel it until right about here. And then this spot, again, because of the way the bed is shaped, it's really small in here. This area is going to take a lot more pressure. I got to get something in there to get the airbag to press more of the pressure outward than up against the inner box of the bed. But it's coming along. A lot of this is going to be really difficult just for the tools that I have. This is pretty beat up here. I'm going to try to get a dolly on the back side and hopefully tap along there. It's coming, guys. It's just a slow, dirty process. But yeah, I'm gonna keep trying. All right, so here's where I'm at. The airbags. So using like a long airbag like this with a 2x3 backer on both sides. I tried it with a 2x3 up against the bed, the box, and then up against the outside skin. And it seemed to help more on the outside skin because it could push on a longer area of that dent line. I'm not sure how well it shows up. I mean, I know you can definitely see it. I can feel it right here, but it's definitely better than what it was. This area looks a lot better here. You can still feel it, and it definitely shows up on the camera just because of the way the lighting is. It helps. It's good in areas, large, flatter areas like this. Down along like my body line here, not so much. I tried putting it with the air, maybe with like the 2x3 just above the body line and just below, and it helped, but definitely needs a lot more work. Up in here, it didn't really help. I was using a pry bar behind there to kind of pry this out. The problem is the inner wheel well liner, the fender liner, is like right on this body line for the most part. So trying to get something behind it and up into here, yeah, it's difficult. It can be done. I'm getting it up in there, but getting enough bag engagement, at least with these bags, at least with these Gute, G-U-T-E bags. I'll leave links to them down below. Maybe if you got some larger ones, like I said, I've seen people use like footballs behind there, that something that could take up more space with maybe some more pressure. These, I don't know, because they're hand pump, maybe I'm just not getting enough pressure, and they're definitely not that big. So you definitely got to use something to take up that extra space. Have any of you guys tried these before? Let me know. I want to know what you guys think about trying something like this. Like I said, it definitely did help along this crease here. I said, I know it's still visible in the camera just based on the lighting. And like I said, I can feel it, but it is definitely better than what it was. It's a hot rod, guys. I'm not that concerned about it. I just figured it's something to do, something to try, something to learn to see if I could do it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Have you guys tried something like this? Or if you have, which versions have you tried and how big are they? Give me some details, because I'll try other ones to see if I can get this out. Anything short of really cutting out this whole fender, this whole bedside, and completely replacing it. I'd really like to try to get some of this banged out. Like I said, I know like right here is difficult because it curves in, and the front of the bed is actually like right here. So right here is hard to get to. I can't really hit it from the back. I was trying to hit on it on the front. You can see it definitely did mess the paint up, but whatever. The paint on this thing is garbage anyway. But I did get some of it. It is kind of beat up. You can definitely tell I was beating on it with a body hammer. Not a great body hammer to begin with. I mean, it's just the Harbor Freight special, and yeah, it could use a cleaning up also. But yeah, I figured I'd give it a shot. Let you guys see. Maybe, like I said, I'm not a body guy. I'm not a sheet metal guy. Let me know in the comments. How bad did I screw this up? What did I overlook maybe in trying this? Let me know. Appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell. I'll see you on the next one.